World's Guide. World's Guide.
Near-death experiences, NDEs, are profound and often deeply personal accounts reported by some individuals who have been on the brink of death or in life-threatening situations. While these experiences are diverse and can vary significantly, common elements include leaving one's body, encountering a sense of peace or euphoria, seeing a tunnel or light, and meeting deceased loved ones or spiritual beings. Here are some key points to consider regarding NDEs. 1. Subjective nature. NDEs are inherently subjective experiences, and they can vary widely from person to person. The interpretation of these experiences is influenced by cultural, religious, and personal beliefs. 2. Medical and scientific investigations. Researchers have conducted studies to understand the neurological and psychological aspects of NDEs. Some theories suggest that they may be related to brain chemistry, oxygen deprivation, or other physiological factors. 3. Out-of-body experiences. OBEs. Many NDEs involve out-of-body experiences, where individuals perceive themselves floating above their physical bodies. Scientifically, OBEs remain poorly understood, and explanations range from altered brain function to psychological mechanisms. 4. Cultural and religious interpretations. Interpretations of NDEs often align with an individual's cultural or religious beliefs. For example, some see NDEs as evidence of an afterlife, while others view them as hallucinations or psychological coping mechanisms. 5. Psychological impact. NDEs can have a profound psychological impact on those who experience them. Some individuals report positive changes in their outlook on life, reduced fear of death, and increased spirituality following an NDE. 6. Skepticism and alternative explanations. Skeptics argue that NDEs can be explained by natural phenomena, such as altered brain states during a crisis or the release of endorphins. They suggest that these experiences do not necessarily provide evidence of an afterlife. 7. Cultural variations. NDEs are reported across cultures, but their content and interpretation can vary significantly. For example, the imagery and beings encountered may differ based on cultural expectations. 8. Need for further research. The scientific study of NDEs is ongoing, and researchers continue to investigate the phenomenon to better understand its underlying mechanisms and significance. In conclusion, near-death experiences are intriguing and complex phenomena that offer profound insights into human consciousness, spirituality, and the nature of existence. While they are deeply meaningful to those who experience them, the scientific community continues to explore various explanations for NDEs, recognizing their subjective and multifaceted nature. Further research is needed to gain a deeper understanding of the neurological, psychological, and cultural aspects of NDEs and their implications for our understanding of life, death, and consciousness.
World's Guide. World's Guide.